Hey, I'm James. I'm the founder of Inertia Solutions. And in the course of the last 30 years, I've spent the majority of my time scaling, launching, growing training programs, coaching programs, training technology, anything in that e-learning industry. And during that time, I've gotten a lot of questions and feedback as to how exactly to do that. In fact, that led me to start this company, to start Inertia Solutions as a consulting company that can go out and help people that are at the beginning of their journey really launch and get that early stage scale of their training programs and coaching programs. The majority of the people I talk to have tried social media as a way to launch their programs, and the vast majority of those didn't go very well. And they always ask me why, because you see all these people on YouTube and on Instagram and on LinkedIn that promote those platforms as the way, or even Instagram is the way to launch your program. Well, it does work, but only for those people that are already social media gurus, for lack of a better word. There is a better way. There's a way that you can identify and target the portion of your market that you can address today and have an extremely high conversion rate and get people into your course, start letting it pay for itself, bootstrap it without spending a ton of money on Facebook ads or LinkedIn advertising or broad scale outreach. I've developed a formula over the course of time that does this, and it works for every good program. And again, let me highlight that. If your program is amazing, if it's fantastic, this will work for you. It's a journey, it's a quest, it's a workshop. It requires work, it requires effort on your part. But if you follow the steps, we'll take you through a transformation where you can identify who you are as an organization, who your people are that you would need to go out and target, and how to speak with them so that the message resonates with them and that they convert into paying customers now rather than 6 months, a year, or 2 years down the road. So come along for the ride. If this is something that's interesting to you, click the link in the description of the video, or if you are seeing this on a landing page, click the get started button and let's go for it. It's going to be a wild ride. It's going to take a lot of work on your part, but we can get you over the finish line so that you can accelerate your way into success.